It's over. It's over. Take the police. West.
Hey, over here!
Hey, yo, what you got for the camera?
It's been real out here. It's real, man. They scared, but I think they got something up their sleeves because there's a little white van over there. I think they're gonna come around and try to trap everybody in.
Yeah, I've been in a situation like this before in Minneapolis. These police are ruthless, reckless, I tell you. Well, they like that all across the country, to be honest. All right, it is toned down a lot. There y'all go. How y'all doing in there? Tell the police to take. All right. Mike Zuckerberg is trying to stop streaming. Live in third world country. Let me see if we got anybody that want to say something. All right. What's going on, fam?
None of that shit. We ain't for none of that shit, man.
Tell him. Come on.
That shit dead, man. We ain't going for none of that shit.
All right. We over south, man, you know what I'm saying? And they did the wrong thing over here because there's a lot of unity. This community over here, man, go back many years. It's a multicultural, but a lot of black folks been here for a long time over here, 38th in Chicago. And I think this probably like one of the major tipping points over here in Minneapolis. This is the Recruiter Live, y'all. I was preaching earlier. You got a lot of different people, different nationalities out here. Hey man, we got 21,000 people on here. You want to say something? They got 21,000 people live right now. You want to say something?
God damn, you up there turned up, boy.
Huh?
Turned up. Well, I ain't even know
You ain't got nothing to say
like that. You know?
All right. He ain't got nothing to say to y'all. But they really turned up out here. They really turned up out here, guys. Yeah.
Zimmerman, he wouldn't be walking back in the day. He wouldn't be walking around like that back in the day.
We just
Brothers would shoot each other though.
been terrible. Try to tell them, man, we've been afflicted for 400 years. This is what you call affliction. Shooting us down in the street. Shooting us down. When it's obviously, you know, the brother couldn't even breathe. He tell him he couldn't breathe. How many times we seen this in the world?
That's what I'm saying. Exactly.
Yeah, he's told him he can't breathe. But you see, they treat us like trash, treat us like dirt because you've been scattered and oppressed by your enemies and sold, and you're captive for 400 years.
Can I talk real quick?
You want to say something?
Yeah, I want to say something real quick.
Okay, we got a brother that want to say something, man.
Check this out, man. So
Yep.
they didn't learn. Philando Castile happened,
Philando Castile.
and now we got people dying over here. They had a man who couldn't breathe for 7 minutes. An old
He couldn't
man.
breathe.
If he
What's
was 20
up?
years old,
He
I
was
would
just
get it.
he
If
was
he
just holding him.
if he was a teenager, I would get it. He literally went into a grocery, and he wanted to fucking buy some. He went into like a grocery store and he wanted to buy some groceries, and they refused his check. And they could have told him to leave. They could have told him to do anything. What did they do? They pinned him down.
Yeah.
They pinned him down. So anything that happens tonight, it's not on us, man. There's a saying that Martin Luther King, may God rest his soul, he said, Martin Luther King said that in the beginning, he said like, if peace doesn't work, at the end of the day, we're gonna have to retaliate to protecting ourselves and defending ourselves. Malcolm X himself, he was talking about.
Man, they walking
How
too
we have
far,
to
man.
defend
I'm not finna keep walking.
Alright, man.
I hear you, my brother.
Alright, man. Take care.
Yes, sir. Well, out west though. My throat sore, man. I was out there screaming. And it's raining now, but people just marching. They marching down like they finna go to Lake Street. They go down to Lake Street, man. It's a Lake Chicago. It's a pretty major intersection, man. And they go down there, man. You know, it's gonna be some problems. Cause they amped. They ready to test something up out here. So I think I'm gonna keep going because people walking down that way towards Lake of Chicago. So they go towards Lake of Chicago. It's gonna get kind of heated over here. So they're trying to get turned. I'm gonna slide over here. Man, okay. Man, it was a whole lot of people. Now this is like the young group over here, man. So ain't nobody really tell them nothing. Where is these dudes going?
Y'all brothers and sisters know your damn rights, man. Quit falling victim out here. Know your rights, man. When you know your rights and you uphold righteousness,
Tell them,
Most
fam.
High will protect you.
All praise.
Real deal. The Most High will protect you, man.
Got an Israelite brother.
Absolutely.
Bringing the truth to.
All glory to the Most High. Got my Israelite brothers out here.
We out here. So it's gonna get kind of a little crazy over here.
Oh
We're
yeah,
going down Lake Street.
This is just the beginning. You know, knowing how these things be turning out.
Oh man. Now this was a tipping point right here in Minneapolis. I'm telling you right now because I know about 38 in Chicago. That's where all the blood's at. And they be getting it in over there. So Powderhorn, Lake, Chicago, all that area. What's going on over here?
Go back to the work.
People up here. I don't know where they're going.
Everybody's going
I think they're going to the police station.
Look, they're all telling everybody.
Oh, they're gonna have a police state, all right, when the UN take over. When that one world order Confederacy take over.
Yeah, just take it straight up.
All right, you guys.
Nicholas.
The precinct it is, it's technically this station. By Target? Yeah.
You can find a senator or something. All right, guys. I think that's it. I'm not gonna walk down there with them people. I've been down here for a long time, so.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
From the brother from motherfucking north.
What's going on with you?
Hey, what's going on, man? Hey, all the way up, all the way.
You been taking care of
All
yourself?
the way up.
Uh,
All the way up.
I see you. I see you.
All the way up. But when they said that brother had, I was in jail. I don't give a fuck. Now I'm out, and they were broke. That's it. That's all. It's on and cracked. That's all.
All right, you guys. I'll get back with you guys when something else pops off. Probably be down there to give y'all some footage, see what's going on the front line. Y'all stay blessed out there. Hey, and when the police stay, you know, give us their orders or whatever, tell you to get out the car, just do what they tell you to do, you know what I'm saying? No resist, yes sir, no sir, you know what I'm saying? Just comply. Ain't no need to resist and to act crazy and to, you know, give them a hard time. Because, you know, they just itching to pull the trigger and kill one of us, all right? So try to use wisdom out here. Y'all stay blessed, family. It's almost what they doing.
We live out here.
There we go.
There's a little bit of a riot going on.
Yo, this is crazy.
Hey, bro, what happened?
We out here in Minneapolis, you guys. It's over here at the place where our brother had got killed. They really turned up right now. Let's see here.
Man, you see, I get my lick. I threw my can at that car too. I got my lick too. I got my lick too. I got my lick too. Oh, they on somebody else, man. Whole city over there, though.
Yeah, I shared a message, man. I was trying to tell them what the business was. What they doing?
Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Coming this way. Someone coming this way. Okay, they getting back up, back up. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, this is right there. Really? Stop the genocide.
Shalom, brother.
What's going on? Shalom, family. All right, all right. All praises.
We out here, we out here.
off at the police car.
What happened?
Go ahead. Go ahead, dude. Oh, you got it. Oh, you got to do that bit, though. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Hey, don't hit me with no ball.
Oh, God, don't hit me,
I'm gonna forget about everything.
Get his butt back.
Pussy! Hey, pussy! It's his hot son! It's his hot son! fucking give up, man. I don't understand what's going on. They're leaving.
Every day. All day, every day. Let him go. Let him go.
Let this lady through.
Party's over. Still chasing the police. They were out west.
Hey, over here. They over here.
Hey, Deacon Yona, what you got for the camera, man?
Man, it's gonna get real out here. You know, we're Israel, man. They scared, but I think they got something up their sleeves because there's a little white van over there. I think they're gonna come around and try to trap everybody in.
You know, I've been in a situation like this before in Minneapolis. These police are ruthless, reckless, I tell you. Well, they like that all across the country, to be honest. All right, it is toned down a lot. There y'all go. How y'all doing in there? Tell the police to take. All right. Mike Zuckerberg is trying to stop streaming. Live in third world country. Let me see if we got anybody that want to say something. All right. What's going on, fam?
None of that shit. We ain't for none of that shit,
Fam,
man.
tell him. Come
That
on.
shit dead, man. We ain't going for none of that shit.
All right. We over south, man, you know what I'm saying? And they did the wrong thing over here because there's a lot of unity. This community over here, man, go back many years. It's a multicultural, but a lot of black folks been here for a long time over here, 38th in Chicago. And I think this probably like one of the major tipping points over here in Minneapolis. This is the Recruiter Live, y'all. I was preaching earlier. We got a lot of different people, different nationalities out here. Hey man, we got 21,000 people on here. You want to say something? Still got 21,000 people live right now. You want to say something?
God damn, you up there turned up, boy.
Huh?
Turned up. Well, I ain't even know
You ain't got nothing to say
like
something?
that.
All right. He ain't got nothing to say to y'all.